literally all there is to this, you guys, a power cord, your propane line input, your water intake, or your water input and your water out. So there's not a lot to getting this thing set up, guys. There really isn't. Really easy to tie into your current existing system at home. Get rid of that big bulky hot water tank. And if you're running electric, guys, this is gonna save you some serious money. So I just plugged it in, guys. Give you guys a little look of this display here. Just let's bring you guys in a little closer now that we're kind of looking at more detailed stuff here. And again, this is from ThermoMate, guys. So I'm gonna turn that on. I think it's standard, it's already set to 105. So it does tell you when there's water running, when you got the flame. There's a whole bunch of different things in there. I don't think we're gonna be able to do a lot right now because I don't have it hooked up. But yeah, so that's it, guys. Really cool panel. When I get this hooked up, we're doing it in an off-grid property that we're getting in the spring. And I'm gonna make a full product installation and demonstration video with this just to show you guys how simple it is. And for people that aren't home often, or there's only one of you using water, efficiency wise, if you're at work all the time or you travel every weekend, stuff like that, and you're just heating a giant hot water tank and if it's just the one person showering and you're only doing a couple loads of laundry a week, you're heating up a whole hot water tank all week long when it's only being used for a fraction of that time. So for people like that, it's really, and I mean, we'll talk about the alternative of that too, but for people like that, guys, instead of paying all week long to heat a giant hot water tank that's not being used, this thing, other than a tiny little pilot light and some standby electricity, which is next to nothing, you're only paying for that hot water you're actually using. So this is gonna pay for itself in no time, with that being said. And on the other side of the spectrum, people that use a ton of hot water, you're constantly running it. You got 4 or 5 people that gotta have showers in the morning, getting ready for school and work, stuff like that. It is a serious pain in the butt running out of hot water in the middle of the shower, guys, where somebody jumps in the shower, kills the hot water tank in the middle of a dishwasher load or a washer load in the clothing washer. Just all kinds of stuff. It really sucks. This is gonna be worth that upgrade. It's gonna buy you so much space getting rid of that hot water tank as well. Something about water though, and these systems, a big hot water tank, you got a large amount of water coming in with a big capacity area that it heats in, and it goes out a large pipe.